Right now, we're seeing sentiment in artificial intelligence spike with a score of plus 0.11, which is notable given the historical baseline, where it typically hovers around 0. What's even more compelling is the momentum at plus 0.82 over the past 24 hours, suggesting that this isn't just a blip, it's gaining traction. With our API, you get nuanced insights, returning sentiment scores, momentum trends, and semantically clustered topics, allowing you to gauge public perception in real time. Imagine integrating this into your app to enhance user engagement by tailoring content based on trending sentiment. For more details, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.